does Jesus like the most about Christmas?
The spirit of giving, I guess.
Then he must be really happy.
Wait a minute. I think there's more than just shopping for each other. Maybe it's the family time at home together. No, it seems like there's still something missing.
Imagine empowering a family in a village with not the latest little toy, but something so practical, something so much that they'll appreciate. To give a gift that keeps on giving, man, that's gonna just open up the eyes of your child to reach the world for Jesus in ways that are practical.
Our grandchildren were so excited because this is something different and they want to get involved, giving chickens or bunnies.
We've been just really blessed, I think, by the Christmas catalog, and it's such a great idea because I think a lot of the time we want to make Christmas meaningful and we don't know how.
I love it. It's hands-on. It's a unique, innovative approach.
My choice was to buy, my wife and I, to buy a bicycle rickshaw because you're actually giving someone an opportunity to provide for his family.
I've been through 2 heart attacks since my husband died, and I prayed for God to help me make it for the sake of my children. Then God provided this cow, and it gave me hope to carry on. I'd been aware of the pastor and his church, but after seeing their love, I gave my life completely to Jesus.
The pastors who give the gifts know the people they're giving them to. It's a gesture of love. So there's a relationship built through the gift.
There's all these kinds of things. Kids can buy pigs, you know, and then they can raise pigs. I mean, you don't realize the impact you're having because we're not as much of an agrarian society as India is. So it's a form of income for them.
It's just funny. It's funny to buy a goat, you know, or a water buffalo or a cow or whatever. It's just a great learning tool for the kids. It's something they can relate to. Even my 5-year-old, 4-year-old, they get it. And so for me, it's just such a tool to teach our kids the purpose of Christmas.
What more can I say? You heard it all. I invite you to please join with us in touching the lives of multiplied millions as we share with them the joy of Christmas this Christmas season, demonstrating His love for others. Thank you for doing it. God bless you.